Next step in our Vue course here will be to create this attendance app here. And what we're going to create is basically we're going to have a input form where we are going to make some two-way bindings that we did previously. We're going to have that information being outputted down here. And we're going to keep track of how many we put in here or inputted up here. And also we have a progress bar that I can just show. So Bob is one, I already tried that. We have Deadpool for this party, for this attendance. And we have somebody named Angie. So this is the third one, and you can see it starts and it gets to the front here. So we also have some sort of sorting or filter in this one. So hopefully we'll cover all of these things throughout this these videos we're going to see now, or you're going to see now. And compared to the other one where we just did the little tiny game, we're also going to be using something called vuetify, which is basically a framework that's being built to Vue that uses material components. So we already know those from Google Material Design and so on. If you search for vuetify just real quick, and the first one here, vuetify, VueJS Material Component Framework, should look like this. And just get started here because we're going to install some of the things. Since we're not using the CLI command to install Vue yet, we will in the next course. We're just going to use the CDN way down here. So scroll down where it says CDN install. So everything in here we're just going to copy. And this is going into our Visual Studio Code index file like this. And we're just quickly gonna save and test this out in our browser. So back to the browser and hit space, and then if you get hello world in your app, then it's working. This also means now we have access to our we have access to vuetify, as you can see here, as it installs that, and also installs the CDN for the Vue. So we have both things ready right now. Now I just want to real quick before anything else we do is I want to link to our app file, app.js here, because that's where we're going to build our logic. So make sure you have that as well down here at the bottom. So the script runs after all the HTML has been run. And also in the top up here, we're just going to add our style sheet as well. So link styles, and there's just style. There's no folder for this in this case. So I have my link for my style sheet up here and link for my app down here. Now, this is what we need to get started. And of course, if you don't have any files, you need to create the 3 files. You can name them what you want. Well, not what you want, but so you know what they are at least. And that's kind of the base where we're going to go. And in the next couple of videos, we're going to go through some of all these things you have up here. So the layout grid, the cards, spacing, dividers, materials, and all these things. So see you in the next video.